Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike SB Check Solarsoft skateboarding shoes. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So this is a pair of Nike SB Check Solarsoft skateboarding shoes. And it's in the black colorway. And it's in a UK size 9 or US size 10. And it features the Solarsoft insole or sock liner. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by, of course, flipping up the box lid and peeling back the wrapping paper to reveal the Nike SB Check Solarsoft skateboarding shoes. Okay, so let's take out one side first to take a close-up look. So setting the box to the side and taking a look around this Nike SB Check Solarsoft skateboarding shoes in the black colorway, and this one is in a UK size 9 or US size 10. So you can see this pair, or this side of the pair, is completely black. So now taking a closer look all around, and at the underside of the shoe as well, you can see it does have a radiating pattern from the pivot or ball of the foot and the Nike swoosh logo as well towards the rear of the shoe. So it does have a suede or leather upper cover, as you can see, with a textured pattern, with a slightly muted pattern for the main body or cover of the shoe, and the swoosh pattern does have a slightly shinier or glossy and more aggressive looking texture. And it does have a vulcanized side or sides to the shoe, and taking a top down look, giving you some sense of the shape and width of this UK size 9 or US size 10 Nike SB Check Solarsoft skateboarding shoes. So it is quite stealthy, as you can see, fully blacked out in the black colorway. And of course it does have a premium look to it, having a leather upper cover instead of the more conventional canvas for the Nike SB Check series of skateboarding shoes. So giving you a nice side profile or side look on the left foot side, and giving you a close-up look at the tongue of the skateboarding shoe. So you can see even the Nike logo or branding with the swoosh and Nike text is barely legible or visible on the tongue tag. So really stealthy looking, fully blacked out, and of course it features the Solarsoft insole. So the Solarsoft insole or sock liner is super cushy, very comfortable, providing plenty of absorption from shocks and landings. And taking a look further inside as well, as much as we can. And you can see the Solarsoft text around the edges of the sock liner with that blue edging or trim. So very squishy with good absorption from shocks is that Solarsoft insole or sock liner. And of course, the collar of the heel does have some padding. Doesn't seem as much as the usual canvas version, because you can see that it is not as thickly padded, but still does have good amount of padding around the collar or ankle area. So nice close-up look at the outsole or underside of this pair of the left hand side or left foot side of the Nike SB Check Solarsoft skateboarding shoes. So you can see it does have a satin sheen to the overall leather or suede style upper cover. And as I mentioned before, the Nike swoosh has a richer texture to it and slightly glossier finish, as you can see that contrast between the main cover of the shoe and the Nike swoosh. Okay, so nice, good all-round look on the left foot side of this pair of Nike SB Check Solarsoft. Now let's take a look at the right foot side. So just going to set the left foot side to the right hand side of the frame, sliding the box across. Peeling back the wrapping paper and giving you a nice good look inside the box. And then of course removing the left foot side and double checking, making sure nothing else is left behind in the box packaging. Tucking that wrapping paper back inside, and then now we have both sides of the Nike SB Check Solarsoft in the black colorway, UK size 9, US size 10. So you can see a very low profile pair of skateboarding shoes in a fully stealthy black colorway all the way through. Even the outsole or sole of the pair is completely blacked out. So this is as black as you can get. Okay, so just going to set that left foot side further out and facing that side, so you have a nice good view or look at that side as we take a closer up look on the right foot side. So once again, you can see nice consistent black details with a matte black vulcanized sides all around the skateboarding shoes. And nice tight stitching all the way through across the several panels of this leather upper for the Nike SB Check Solarsoft skateboarding shoes. And once again, you can see that lovely blue trimming around the Solarsoft insole or sock liner, which provides plenty of cushioning and comfort. So nice, good overall look. And now let's take both sides up and then giving you a close-up look at them together and giving you a look at the texture of that leather upper. So nice and finely grained. And once again, I mentioned of that very stealthy looking Nike tag on the tongue and nicely padded collar or ankle area of this pair of Nike SB Check Solarsoft skateboarding shoes. So nice, good overall look. Right round close up and slightly further out, of course. And this pair, as I mentioned earlier, is in the UK size 9 or US size 10. So right round, giving you a further out look at the sole or outsole of this pair with a fully blacked out pattern radiating from the ball or forefoot area and pivot area with that round flat circle. So that's the Nike SB Check Solarsoft skateboarding shoes. Thanks for watching and happy skateboarding!